Did you notice the words closest to in the question stem? Those words are a clue that we probably don't have to do a lot of math to solve this question, but instead can just eyeball the expression and see what it's close to. And what jumps out at me in this expression is we end up dividing by 1/2, which is the same thing as doubling. I explain in my book the reasoning behind that rule, but dividing by a fraction means multiplying by the reciprocal of that fraction. In this case, that means we're going to be doubling whatever that numerator is. So looking at the numerator, I have 7/8, which is almost 1, right? It's just missing 1/8. But then we're adding 1/9 to it. But 1/9 is practically 1/8. It's just very slightly less than 1/8. So when I add the 7/8 plus almost 1/8, I get 1. And then when you double that, you get 2. So I'm going to go ahead and pick 2 and move on to the next question. If you found this video useful, go to quantreasoning.com for a lot more where that came from. You should also click that like button and let me know in the comments below what you'd like me to make future videos about. And of course, if you haven't yet subscribed, go ahead and do that and click that bell below so you get notified about future videos. See you next time.